Good outlook.
As you can tell by this WRX sitting right here, actually I don't know if you can tell, but we're gonna be doing exhaust. We got this agency power exhaust gonna be going on. You guys might remember that red hatchback that we did had the same exhaust on it, so you should already know that it's gonna sound really good, and it's gonna just let her breathe. If we know anything about cars, you wanna just let them breathe. Owner Connor is right here. Say what's up.
How's it going, guys?
How excited are you to finally
I'm super
hear
pumped.
this?
I've been waiting for this for a long time. So
Jordan?
It's gonna be really hot right now.
Say what's up to the boys.
I totally forgot.
Say what's up to the boys.
What's up? Not one person.
Alright, we got the car jacked up. I'm gonna go show you guys underneath. Alright, we're gonna be taking off the Catback today. 2 bolts up there, and it looks like we don't have to take anything off. There are bolts right here, but I think we can just use the hangers and shove it off towards the front of the car, and then we can put the new exhaust on, which is gonna come in 3 pieces. As you can see, this job is just a couple bolts. So as tradition goes, when you're taking off your exhaust, we are going to be starting an open downpipe, getting a couple revs in, and then the rest of the exhaust will go on. Ain't that right, dude? Last time we were like, it's gonna be so loud, and we started my car like, it sounds the same until you rev it.
It's just deep. It's like gonna be like,
yeah.
It'll be really low and it will.
So we're gonna start this up, open downpipe before we
single exit now too.
Yeah. Okay. So let's give it a shot. See, it's not that loud until you like give it.
Oh my! This is ridiculous. Screw the exhaust. I'm setting that back.
It'll pop. Here, come listen from the outside.
Okay, yeah, somebody take this.
Pop.
There it is.
All those emissions. No point of getting exhaust when you can just take it off, right?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna scrap this.
Before we actually go underneath the car, we attached the Catback portion first, and since this comes in 3 pieces, it'll just be easier to start hanging up stuff just in this piece and then have the rear end separate, which will go on the hangers. Are you putting fresh bolts on?
I'm just going.
Awesome away.
Mid-pipe is installed.
Shred it!
Oh, she's ready.
She is so ready. So we'll line up the hangers. So we'll start with the farthest one, like
These ones?
the closest one. I mean, like closest to the rear. So yeah, the first one. Do support. Slip her in.
Doing any installs on cars just gets you so hungry. I'm hungry right now. Working on cars just makes me so hungry. She is all on. We'll start her up in just a second. We're tightening up some last bolts, and we should be good to go.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Sounds so
good.
Dude, it's
much better.
Crazy compared to the open downpipe. The like refined in the sound, dude. It sounds so good.
Gotta give it a
I
little.
love that 2.5.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this quick video of the Catback install. Honestly, the exhaust is one of the most effective things to change your car, the way it sounds, the way it performs, and the way that you love your car. If you guys don't mind, hit that subscribe button for more content. Also, big announcement, October 14th, my birthday, we are going to be heading down with Quattroculture. If you guys do not know, it's a big Audi group. So we're going to be heading down to Letchworth Park, which is local to us. So if you guys have Audis and you guys want to get some roller shots of your car, definitely come out because we're going to be doing pictures and video as well. And at the end of that meet, you can actually pick up those clips on a hard drive and you can go home with that. So make sure you guys come out to that if you have an Audi, and you might want to hurry up and do that because there are only limited amount of spots. So make sure that you get in touch with the Quattroculture guys. If you're not following their Instagram, go follow their Instagram, and over there you guys can get all the updates on the stuff that they are doing as well as shows coming up. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and stay wicked.